Ciao Tesla people. So I knew this one was going to happen sooner or later, and I'm going to show you what happened. And this happened. So I scratched the entire cover here. These are the MagBak RimCase protector, and you know, somebody parked like an idiot, and I couldn't avoid a curb for the walkway, so I need to remove this guy. And did it ruin the rim? No, it just eat some plastic here, and this is just dirt. So let's get the replacement. This just braked apart, but it protected the rim, and that's the whole point. So let's get the replacement. I think one is fine. Let me get some here. Let me show you here. Put you down here. This is just the rubber from the ring case protection. So just have to remove this. Just give it a clean. There's some plastic here. So let's get one protection. Let's see. I'm going to remove the protection too, just to do a clean job, a kind of clean job. So they actually work. That's the whole point of this protection. Nice. Just one more piece. Okay. And there is some here. That's it. And that's it. This one is okay. So I can mount another one on top of that. Okay, let me grab the so the protector for first we'll put the protector for the long piece. This guy, okay, and they go up here. Yeah, nice. And then the larger one, one of this guy, these tapes here, and okay. And good to put it right there. Okay. Okay. And now I get one of these guys. Okay. Well, this is going to look new compared to the other ones, which they have some scratches, but that's okay. And I need to remove some double tape, and if I remember correctly, it's a pain in the ass. So I finally got the double tape cover out with a small knife. Okay, and now I need to insert this, guys. So this one goes on top and this goes on the bottom, so you have to pull a bit, this, guys, and you just flex them, and this one goes on top. Okay, this one went. Okay, it went. Yeah. Yep. Cool. I'm done. So this one has some scratches, but it didn't break. So I'm going to leave this guy and I replace this new one. I have a spare parts. So mosquitoes. Anyway, I'm done. So these are the RimCase product from MagBak. I'm going to leave all the description in the description, the information. I have a discount code too, so check it out. I highly suggest it to have this protection for your wheels, for your rims. And the other funny part is that it works for the 21 inches Uber turbine, which I have, and this what happened to this other one. It just broke in half here, so this to throw away. Great, fantastic. So substitution took like 5 minutes. Pretty cool. Check it out in the description, all the information. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao Tesla people.